Shout out to a lovely subscriber. Her name is Lena. She's a stay home mom of six. She's a very hardworking woman. I love how she just cleans, guys. Like, you guys like to see brand new faces, and the fact that she is a subscriber and she does use Selma's toothbrush, well, in her case, is Alina's toothbrush, but you get what I'm saying. Go ahead and show her some love. I will link her channel down below and in the pinned comment. Now, let's get started. Are you tired of the same cleaning routine? Maybe a to-do list is cluttering your mind. What's for dinner? I had to keep up with the dishes. I will fold the laundry once I take a shower. I'll shower when I'm done cleaning the toilet bowl. So on, so on. Cleaning routines can take over our life if we let it. It looks simple, yet it overwhelms us. But why? We think of everything and anything, but we don't do it. Because the thought of how long it's gonna take, we want to replace it with what can I do that is more productive? Because we are tired of the same routine that we think that doing something different can be the change, but yet it still waits on us to do it. The answer is that we try so hard to be perfect, to be on top of things, to meet everybody's needs but our own. What if we just tried to do a cleaning routine with ourselves? Stop caring what people will say or think. Family members, friends, whoever. It's none of their business. Keep your business to yourself. Focus on taking stuff out of your mind that keeps us from just doing. Take a day off. Read a book. Stay away from gossip. Go for a walk. Maybe write everything down that is bothering you and just take it outside and burn it. Unload yourself. Have a spa day. You deserve it. If you can't be perfect, what makes you think a cleaning routine has to be perfect? Don't let it control you. You take control and control it. I get it. You're tired, maybe exhausted. And you're just like, I'm just tired doing the same thing. But then you're scared to make a change of the routine. It makes you feel completely off, and that's what scares you. And therefore, you stick to the cleaning routine that you are doing and have always done. But what if you challenge yourself on, instead of going to clean the bathroom every single day at a certain time, switch it with cleaning the sink? Or instead of cleaning at a certain time, go for a walk first. Disrupt the routine, yet you can still be productive, taking care of yourself and taking care of the needs of everybody else. You have to pour yourself some love to be able to do the things you love by caring. And what I mean by that is like, you cherish what you have, and therefore you have fun doing your cleaning routine. Instead of letting it overwhelm you, you take control by enjoying the little things, about taking care of yourself first so you can take care of the rest. You are allowed to take breaks. You are allowed to say no. You are allowed to change. Sometimes we can be our own enemy without even realizing it. We put ourselves such a limit, not even realizing that we put those limits within ourselves. Believe in yourself. Give yourself a chance to flourish. Maybe, just maybe, you have believed this lie that what you don't have is what you need to be happy. Happiness is only temporary. You have to choose to be happy every day. And say to yourself that enough is when you have what you need, and you are enough. What's it called? Go to the gym more, maybe? Things. Mental health is very important. And if you just keep feeling every single day that you are tired of being tired, but you can't really pinpoint what is the issue, what is really bothering you, what's keeping you on your bed, what's really the problem, don't be afraid to ask for help or even to try medication, a therapist. When there's a way, there is hope. And when there's hope, there's belief. And when there's belief, there's victory. Routines do help with discipline, but what helps you? Be patient with yourself. Make progress, not perfection. Practice more what you enjoy. And as always, have fun with it. You only get to live once. And when you do feel a little bit down, always remind yourself that you are only human. And then that is going to be okay. And there's always a tomorrow. Have in mind that no house in this entire world is clean, top to bottom. There is always dust hidden somewhere. Just because you think somebody has it all together and perfect is just simply not true. Everybody has their daily struggles. Everybody has different stages of life, and it takes time and patience. And that's my current situation with my children. Instead of me getting all mad because the room is not put together, I do see the effort and I do see the progress and not perfection. And it makes me happy because I am making a difference where it is important to be clean and tidy, but it's also important to see how they're feeling in the process of it and how they get to know how to regulate their emotions and how when you do little by little every single day, it does make a difference. And sometimes they give up. Sometimes they have those days that they just don't want to do it. But when they see they do, and they do see me trying, and there's a lot of times that actually they complain about, well, I don't want to clean today. I'm like, well, I didn't want to wash dishes either. but I still had to do it because then we won't be able to have dinner. And I replace it with something more understanding, that even though I don't want to do it, sometimes I have to do it. And that takes discipline. But it does not mean it has to be a cleaning routine type that overwhelms me. And I switch it up little by little. After all, they're still kids and they have a long way to go. But in the meantime, I'm going to be here as much as I can, just as you should be there for yourself as much as you can. Don't be afraid of discipline. Don't be afraid of change. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't be afraid of yourself. You can do things. Don't put yourself on a limit. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I get to see you and catch you on my next one.